How to buy tell a tale or tell a tale. So this token came under the symbol of TAT. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 5 days ago. As you can see, this token trending number 8 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, now click here to copy the token address, open your BSC wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network, click on this plus icon and now copy the token address or paste the token address into search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called TAT. Now after you find it, click on it, click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. And after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy TAT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.